just want somebody to say, all those who are saying what the Southern government said, they buy grace. I have taken further step to fulfill what the Southern governments have said in Asaba. If anybody wants to die, go and die and hang yourself in the electric pole. We have taken a position and we are not going back. Enough is enough. We are not the class citizens of this country. We also own this country. And we must protect what's happening in this country.
La la la.